Welcome back to PPMA Television. We're here with Lewis from Paramount Packaging. Good to see you, buddy. Thank you so much for coming to join us. Busy day today?
Yeah, it's been a good day today. I think it was we kind of had a peak in the middle of the day. I think it's slow in the morning, but then it peaked up a little bit. So it's been a good day for us so far. Yeah,
We've talked about this many times already today. You know, last year we couldn't do this for obvious reasons.
Yeah.
Now we've got another crisis. You know, they're all trying their hardest not to let us be here, but we've made it, and it's the footfall today has been incredible. Listen, tell me a little bit about what your company does.
So we're Paramount Packaging Systems. We're the sole supplier in the UK for Fuji flow wrappers. So they're supplied by Fuji from Japan, but we have our workshop here in Fleet in Guildford. So we have our team of engineers that will help put the machine together for the customer's specification. So we get the machines in from Fuji. We'll then supply the infeeds, any labellers or coders that the customer wants, and we'll do all the trials on site at our workshop in Fleet for the customer. So we're the point of contact in the UK.
So if I get this right, so it comes in as a kind of a built system, and then you tailor it to what that client needs.
Yeah, so we'll just get it from Japan as the base of the machine, and then we'll make sure it's exactly what our customer wants. We'll do all the trials, any film trials that customers want. We can do those in the UK, so it saves having to send everything out to Japan. So it's a local point of contact for the UK.
And I would imagine customers feel quite comfortable with that as well, knowing that you're on the other end of the phone, there's an email, kind of help me with this, and you guys are there.
Yeah, so we've got customers all over the UK. We cover the UK and Ireland. So we've got over 450 machines stored in the UK. We've been doing this as Paramount Packaging Systems since 1993. So we've got a very, very experienced team of people and a wealth of knowledge to help any customers with flow wrapping.
I mean, that's a long time. I imagine, you know, maybe obviously before your time, but you see that change in the way that you know, this technology is moving. It's pretty fast.
Yeah, it is, and especially now with the change in packaging and materials and things like that. So that's one area that we really stand out. So every time the market changes for something, we're quick to develop with it. So especially with our machine and the box motion end seal that we've got on it, if anybody has any packaging requirements that are more environmentally friendly, recyclable, so any recyclable plastics or paper-based materials, that's a lot of the inquiries that we're getting at the moment, and we're quick to help customers with that because our machine is perfect for those kind of inquiries.
I think all of that is the forefront of everyone's minds, particularly at the moment. So it's fantastic that you guys can do that. Can we see one of these machines in action? Can you talk us through how this process works?
So I'll start it up. So this machine particularly, though, these little foam donuts will be hand fed into the in-feed. I will start this up for you in a minute to show you. And then they'll travel down. The film will be preset. So the machine is also designed to be very operator friendly and very easy to set up. So the film is put on and it sets itself. So it's manually adjustable, manually set themselves the rollers, and it's fed through our Fuji vision system. So inside here, quickly, I just hope this works now. Yeah, we've got a vision system in there and a rubber roller. So the roller will help pull it through. So it helps pull the film through before it tracks through the machine. And we have a vision system here that will automatically check for that you've got the correct film on. So if you've not got the correct film set up, the machine won't set up. It won't start up at all.
Long gone are the days of paper jam.
Yeah, pretty much. So it will check the thickness of the material straight away. So if you've got different materials in there, or you've got different products that you want to run, it's ideal for that. And it also checks the registration marks and it scans. So if it's the same material, but it's got something different set up on it, it will pick up that straight away.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
It's all on here as well. So we've got manually settings on here. So there's a little tick list. So it's all designed here to be operator friendly and very easy to use. So the scaling on here will tell you when you change the product.
Yeah.
These are all the tick lists that you've got to make sure everything's set, but it also points out where they are, and it's all easy to adjust. So on here, this is easily adjustable with just these simple little adjustments.
Wow.
Really.
It all looks incredibly user-friendly.
It is, and it's designed for that. So when we're going into factories and saying, like, look, training comes as standard with us as well. It comes included in our offers. Yeah. So it's very easy to train operators and engineers on this machine, and it's accessible. It's set up at different levels. So if you know there's only an operator doing this, you can set it at an operator level, so then they won't go into any other settings and change what they don't need to change.
Great. Yeah.
So that's good. Yeah, for engineering managers, it's quite a good thing to push.
We seem to have pressed a few extra buttons. Can you come and save us?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, so it avoids that.
Lock it in.
It tells you also you can adjust everything to points and millimeters as well. So it's precision engineered for everything that you need to set up. The heaters as well.
For the wrap.
Yeah, so you can tailor this. So when we're testing material for people, we can test it to within like points of centigrade.
Wow.
So it's that precise, especially with the end seal. So when you've got different types of material you might be swapping for, especially that more recyclable, we can test it and tailor it to the exact degree that you need. So especially with paper-based materials, so we can make sure it's sealed accurately.
Okay, let's have
a
little look.
I will start the machine up in a second. So if we just start it up now, and I can explain the process.
Let's have a little
So
look.
the-
So we can get a camera around there.
The sensor, so the machine will sense the products here,
Oh wow.
and as you can see, we've only set it on a low speed for now, just so you can get a good look at what the machine can do. So the machine tracks through. This will then go through the vision system, which is helping pull it. It's already stopped.
Yeah. No, but here we go. So we put these products here. So it's literally cut wrap.
Yeah. So at this point here as well, we've got as it's already stopped. I'll show you underneath. It's good to see on the back seal machine over there actually, our center seal section. So we have a preheat that helps warm up the film when it goes into the machine, so it's already partly warm. So then we have an induction heater that's designed specifically by Fuji. That's patented technology. It's energy saving. It's just induction heat. So, and it's also designed to be so the way I say it is more maintenance friendly. So with standard designs, it's like hot, cold, and their end seals, their center seal section can be quite long. Ours is designed to make that shorter space and heat up faster.
I love it.
So it's energy saving for the customer, but it's also designed so it's got no slip rings inside our heaters as well. So that's one less thing for customers to have to worry about changing. So that whole
that's
section
what customers want, don't they? Want it simplified, cost effective, and to make this as quick and easy a simple process for everyone as possible.
Yeah, and the box motion is our standout point. So,
and this is what I get.
Yeah, you can.
And this is what. So all of this incredible technology, this amazing build, and I get what I've now discovered is a foam donut.
Yeah, unfortunately it's foam.
I can't help Phil, you built me up and you've slightly let me down with this end result. I mean, the packaging is fantastic. Yeah. The build. We'll leave that there. I love it. Thank you very much indeed. It's fantastic, isn't it? And in terms of size, presumably you can build this to the size you want. You can get a smaller model. You can build bigger models. You can adapt it how you want.
Yeah, they tend to be this set size, but they are designed. They are designed to take up a lot smaller footprint in factories. So for what you get really in the speeds that these can go at, this is actually quite a compact.
Yeah. I was going to say this seems quite a small system anyway. This seems quite a small footprint, for a warehouse.
I think as well our box motion end seal. So as this moves round, it stopped before you could get the camera to it a minute ago, but the conveyors will open up and then close again as the jaws are at that angle. So it's a more seamless transfer of the product. So there's a lot of them you'll have like a wider gap because the jaws will just stay there and go up. So ours are designed so as it rotates round, the conveyor is constantly moving. So it's like a seamless transfer from one conveyor to from the center conveyor to the end conveyor.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. I was going to say, can I take that with me? But it's foam, so I'm not going to bother. Do me a favor. Next time you guys come back next year, we'd love to see you in 2022. Can you bring me a proper donut?
I will discuss it, yeah. We'll bring you some proper donuts. For yourself, I will bring some proper donuts next year.
Unbelievable. I will definitely hold you to it. No, it's an absolute pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much indeed. It's definitely, it is. Yeah, it's fake. Yeah.